Nalalag mukha ko! Nalalag ko yan. Assist natin, kuya. Taas natin. Yan. Okay na ba, sir? Okay na. Ang sakit sa ilong. Okay, sir. Okay. Tapos mo nilay, sir. And every time na umamin. Okay. Gusto ko to eh. Okay, sige, sir. Sige, let's talk about you, sir. Okay. How old are you? I am? Yes, how old are you? I am not old. I am young. Yes. And smart. Yes. And strong. Strong. And beautiful. Anong beautiful lalaki ka, sir? Sige, sir. What is your favorite toy? Barbie. Tama na nga yun, sir. Sige, sir. Back to school. Okay. What is your favorite subject? Fried chicken. I said subject like English, math. Okay, math. I will try you,